Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can download your Visual Studio Code which we need for our design. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Chrome to download the application by writing Visual Studio Code or just VS Code in your browser. Then you downloaded the application. The application is of two types. We have the 32-bit and the 64-bit software, depending on your operating system. To know which one you are going to use, you go to your computer, then you open my computer. So you go to your this PC or my computer, right click on it, then you select property. So there you are going to see now on my system I'm operating, where is it? Let's move down. Now this is the system type, 64-bit operating system. So you always check this before you install your Visual Studio Code or any other app you wanted to install on your laptop. So this is 64-bit. So we go to the internet and we download the 64-bit software. I haven't downloaded it. I've already downloaded mine. This is it here. I haven't downloaded it. Right click on it, then you open it. Then this is where you see. So you have the right to read all these instructions to know exactly what you can do and what you cannot do with the apps. So done it now. Just click on this. I accept the agreement. Then you click on next. Then here some attributes, some additional thing you can do has already been added. Create a desktop icon, add open with code, add open with code action, but we don't need this. The one we needed has been checked for us. Then if you do register an editor for support, no, it doesn't need it. Just click next. Then you click on install. So after click on install, the app will loaded. But because I've already downloaded, I've already installed my, here it is. So I don't need to do that again. I'll just click on super. You click install and the app will install on your system. Thank you.